At First Call Electric, we are the professional electricians you can count on. Our sole mission is to provide quality services with emphasis on excellence and value to develop customer relations based on honesty, dependability, and integrity. Some services we offer are heating and air, AC installation, HVAC, hot water heater installation, AC repair, central air conditioning units, and much more. We contribute our continued growth to the quality of our workmanship. We pay attention to details, and we're very passionate about each project we take on. Call us today at 804-614-7072.